Discover Gamma AI, work smart and export editable PowerPoint files effortlessly. Visit the Gamma website and sign up for free using a Gmail account or any other email if you already have one. For this tutorial, we will proceed with Google. You can find the link in the description box or comment "I'm interested," then I'll send the link to you. To create content with Gamma, you have three options. You can copy and paste existing notes, outlines, or content for Gamma AI to work with. Alternatively, you can generate content using a one-line prompt in a few seconds. You can also enhance existing documents, presentations, or web pages by importing a file or URL. In this tutorial, we will focus on generating content from a one-line prompt. Click Generate and select the type of content you wish to create, such as a presentation, web page, or document. For this tutorial, we will choose a presentation. Select the number of slides you want to create. The free version includes a default of 8 slides. Let's keep this setting. You can choose the page style, such as default, traditional, or tall. We will leave it on the default setting. For the language, let's select English, UK. Type your one-line prompts. How to deal with a disgruntled customer. Once you are done, hit Generate. Gamma AI will then create an outline. You can review it and make any necessary changes. For example, I noticed that apologize was underlined while the spelling with S is indeed British. The Z form is also acceptable according to the Oxford Dictionary. Let's change S to Z. Adjust the amount of text per slide to be brief, medium, or detailed. We will opt for medium. For image source, you have several options. We will leave it on AI image for now. Image style is optional and relevant if you want to specify a particular color style or mood, so we will keep that blank for the moment. Click Continue. Next, select the theme. We will go with Sanguine. Click on it and preview it. Once you are satisfied, click Generate. You can now relax while Gamma AI app generates slides 1 to 8. If you have a fast internet connection, this process will complete in a matter of seconds. After the AI has finished generating the content, you can click on the slide or thumbnail images to navigate through and make any changes. All texts are editable, and so are the images. To view the slides in presentation mode, click the Present button and use the side arrows on your keyboard to navigate between slides. You can share or export your presentation. First, let's share our presentation on Gamma. To export, click Export and choose your preferred format. For PowerPoint, the file will be sent to your email. Exporting to PDF will prompt an immediate download of the PDF file. Choosing to export as PNG will also initiate immediate download. Once downloaded, double-click the PDF file to preview it. Your default browser will open it. As you scroll through, you will see that the AI has done an impressive job, deserving a round of applause. The PNG format looks great as well. First, open the PowerPoint file, PPTX, from your email accounts and download it using your browser. Once the download is complete, double-click the file to open it in PowerPoint. Enable editing. The great thing is that both the text and the images remain editable within PowerPoint. For example, let's change the font size to 20. You can press F5 to view the slide in action. If you are presenting to your target audience, right-click and select Show Presenters View to see the next slide before your audience does. With Gamma AI, you can work smarter, not harder, as the AI takes care of challenging tasks on your behalf. Leave your thoughts or questions in the comment section and I'll be happy to respond. That's it. For more tips and tricks, follow TechTricksGh. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for the latest tutorials.